Hello everyone, welcome to our tutorial on RankMath's redirection features. These are important for improving your WordPress website's SEO. Today we'll talk about what redirections are, show you some advanced settings, and share best practices. Redirection and why it's important for our website SEO. Redirections are important for SEO because they automatically send users and keeps its SEO value. RankMath makes this easy, one URL to another. This keeps your site organized and keeps its SEO value. RankMath makes this easy with its redirection module, giving you powerful tools to manage redirects effectively. Now, let's access the Redirections tool in the RankMath SEO plugin. To access redirections in RankMath, log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to the RankMath plugin settings in the left-hand menu. Click on Redirections to open the redirection management interface. To add a new redirection, click on Add New Redirection. Source URL, enter the old URL that needs redirection. Destination URL, the old URL that needs redirection. Destination URL, specify the new URL to redirect to. Type of redirection, choose 301 permanent move for SEO-friendly redirects. Let me show you an example. Suppose you want to redirect an outdated product page to a new one now. Let's check how to manage existing redirection. To manage existing redirections, go back to the main redirection screen. Here, you can see all current redirections. To edit a redirection, click Edit and update the fields. To delete, click Delete. This flexibility allows you to update your redirections easily. For more advanced needs, RankMath offers regular expressions for complex patterns. Wildcard redirects redirect multiple URLs with a similar structure. These options help manage complex redirection needs. Now, after adding redirection, it's important to test your redirections. Open a new browser tab and enter the old URL. You should be redirected to the new URL. This ensures a seamless user experience and maintains SEO benefits. Some best practices for redirections are: use 301 permanent redirects for permanent changes to Some best practices for redirections are: use 301 permanent redirects for permanent changes to preserve SEO value. Avoid redirect loops to maintain your site's performance and user experience. These practices help keep your website healthy and optimized.